Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Bayelsa State Governor Senator Douye Diri has called for a truce in the political feud that turned the former governor of Rivers State, Nyesom Wike, and his benefactor, Governor Siminalayi Fubara, to strange bedfellows. Senator Diri made the call recently when he received his Rivers State counterpart at his country home in Sampo, Bayelsa State.
The year started on a very good note for the governors of Bayelsa and Rivers State. In a courtesy visit to the governor of Bayelsa State by his Rivers State counterpart Siminalayi Fubara, Governor Douye Diri called for peace between Governor Siminalayi and former Governor Nyesom Wike. Diri, who had been quiet in the face-off, said he was working behind the scene to ensure that there was peace in Rivers State, as the two states are one and the same.
Let's give peace a chance to both sides in the crisis in Rivers State. I call for peace, call for understanding.
In the spirit of peace, the Bayelsa State Governor agreed to settle all matters in court between the two states.
You are aware that we have a lot of legal battles, up to the point that our house in Port Harcourt was pulled down. It is time for us to sit down and resolve these matters.
Earlier, the governor of Rivers State, Siminalayi Fubara, stated that the reason for his visit to the state was to have a unification meeting with Governor Diri and to declare his desire to work with him for the common good of both states and to settle all issues amongst them.
From this particular moment, whatever it is, let us look for a way, settle it so that we can move ahead.
In another development, Minister of State for Petroleum Resources, Senator Henneking Lokpobiri, in a visit to Bayelsa State, lamented the level of pollution and bunkering in the state. He said it has so far affected the derivation that is supposed to be accrued to the state.
I came today to solicit for the support of His Excellency, my brother, the governor of Bayelsa, so that we could work together and then resolve some of these problems.
The governor appealed to the minister to assist the state in ways it can utilize the abundant gas resources available in the state.
The world is moving away from petroleum, looking for other cleaner sources of energy. And gas immediately becomes a transitional energy. So the abundant gas that we have in our state, you are still our representative there, whether the portfolio is not with you. We will still come to you.
Some of Governor Diri's activities for the beginning of the year was the signing into law of the appropriation bill for 2024. Part of the bills that was signed into law was the Bayelsa State Electricity Law 2023. Bayelsa State Governor said by virtue of signing the bill into law, the MD, Engineer Olis Kemenanabo, was under pressure to ensure that the state has a functional electricity outfit. Furthermore, in his Yuletide visit to the former president of Nigeria, Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, Senator Douye Diri gave kudos to the former president's statesmanship as he appreciated him for his role in the success of the November 11 governorship election in the state.
Inside the Niger Delta,